Fluffy, light, grease-free pancakes. Enjoy with maple syrup, honey or spread Nutella. Lemon blueberry pancakes. Juicy warm blueberries bursting into your mouth with every bite, with a hint of zesty taste. Welcome to Aisha's Lavender Kitchen. So let's get started. 3 eggs, separate the whites and yolks. Be careful not to get any yolks into the white, otherwise the whites will not become foamy and frothy. Now whisk the egg whites until you have a stiff, foamy, frothy texture. This will take a good few minutes. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar into your yolks. Whisk until pale yellow. Now add 250 ml of milk, 1 cup, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Sieve 300 grams of flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now whisk for a minute or 2 to combine the ingredients. Bring down the sides to make sure it's well incorporated. Add egg whites into the batter and gently fold to incorporate, don't use whisk. Using the whisk at this point will lose its volume. Preheat your pan at low to medium heat. Now pour a scoop of batter into your pan, without spreading. If you wish, you can use butter or oil when cooking. When the bubbles are formed, you can tell the pancakes are ready to flip, or simply by slipping the spatula under the rim of the pancake to check if it has become golden in colour. I will use half my batter for the plain pancakes, and the other half for the blueberry lemon pancakes. Here says half to 1 lemon. And now add 150 grams to 2 handfuls of blueberries. Quick mix with a spatula. For the lemon blueberry pancake, preheat your pan at low heat. We want to give time for the blueberries to burst and to perfectly cook. I can smell the lovely zest and hear the blueberries burst. Whether you like your pancakes plain with honey poured over, or lemon and blueberry, this is the perfect batter for pancakes, light and fluffy and grease-free. Go ahead and enjoy. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hope to see you next video. Bye for now.